In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a simple automation flow in Activepieces. To get started, open your Activepieces dashboard in Google Chrome. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the button labeled New Flow and click it. This is where your automation begins. A flow in Activepieces is simply a sequence of connected steps where one event starts the process and the following actions carry out the work for you automatically. Starting a new flow gives you a blank canvas where you can build exactly what you need. After that, choose a trigger piece. The trigger is the event that tells your flow when to start. For example, you might use Google Sheets if you want the automation to begin when a spreadsheet is updated, or you can choose a webhook if you want the flow to start from an external app or a custom request. When selecting your trigger, think carefully about what event should kick off the automation. This part is important because the trigger controls when everything else happens. Once you've chosen the right option, configure it based on what your workflow requires. Next, add an action piece step. This is the part of the flow that performs the task after the trigger has been activated. For example, you could add ChatGPT or OpenAI if you want the flow to generate or process text, or you could use a WhatsApp integration if your goal is to send messages automatically. The action step depends on the result you want from the workflow. So choose the tool that matches your objective. As you set it up, make sure the action is connected properly to the trigger, so information can pass from one step to the next without issues. Once both parts are in place, test the individual steps. This is a very important part of the setup process because testing helps you confirm that each step is working correctly before the full flow goes live. Run the trigger test, then test the action step, and review the results carefully. If something doesn't behave as expected, this is the best time to adjust the configuration and try again. When everything is working properly, go to the top right corner and click Publish. Publishing turns your draft into a live automation, allowing it to run whenever the trigger condition is met. And that's it! You've successfully created, tested, and launched a flow in Activepieces.